Hello beautiful people, welcome once again to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking. Thank you for stopping by. So today we are doing something very interesting again, and it's going to be very nice. Actually, in this video I'm going to be making my favorite Malaysian snack. Okay. I hope you guys are good, by the way. How is the MCO and all the stuff? Anyways, I just felt like trying this favorite Malaysian snack today. Do you know the Malaysian snack? I'm talking about Cekodok Pisang. Am I correct? Is this Cekodok Pisang? The banana fritters, okay, those balls. So I'm going to be making them today, and I'll take you guys along. If you want to enjoy this video, stay till the end. Okay guys, if you are new, please make sure you subscribe. So I'm going to be showing you the materials, or let's say the ingredient I'll be using, and it's going to be a very quick video. And we're going to be testing these fritters, banana fritters, or I usually call them banana balls, okay? Once everything is ready, and there are some foreigners that will also test it, okay, to tell you guys how it actually tastes. So let's try my favorite Malaysian snack. Okay guys, so let's start. This is the flour, okay, but unfortunately at this moment I don't have the plain flour. I'm supposed to use plain flour, so this is actually wheat, but it's still okay. If you ask me, I think it's still okay, right? It's still smooth. Then I have the bananas, which is the main ingredient. This one is the main ingredient, guys, the banana itself. So it must be actually soft bananas, okay, that is a little bit trying to overripe. So I think these ones, I've kept them for like a few days. It's looking okay. Then I have egg. Okay, I have egg here, and I have, so actually guys, there is what they call banana fritter flour, which is this one. In fact, I think I've made a mistake, but I'm still going to proceed. Normally you can use normal flour, or what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below, but I'm still going to add this one a little bit. This is the banana fritter flour, okay? So I think that's what I'm supposed to use initially, but let's see what happens. So I added a little bit of this into the normal flour. Probably it's going to give it that very golden color. Then let me blend these bananas very quickly now and join to this one. And I have salt, of course. I have salt, I have sugar, salt and sugar here. So, okay, and the fry pan is ready, and I have my oil. So everything is set, guys. Let me quickly blend the bananas.
A few moments later.
Okay, guys, so I want to quickly blend the bananas, okay? Let's do that. I've washed my hand already. So, one. This is interesting, right? My housemates are waiting to try. I don't know if these angles are good for you guys, but I'm just trying my best because, you know, I'm not a food vlogger, right? So I think the banana itself is the main thing you need. My bananas are small, so I think this one is actually okay, if I'm not mistaken. The size will depend on what you're doing, basically. So I put a little water so that it doesn't mesmerize. And I will blend. Can you see that? Amazing or not? So we're going to turn this one somewhere. Actually, we're supposed to mix this flour, right? We're supposed to mix this flour. So let me just quickly readjust these things. So it's time to mix now, guys. So I'm going to put a little water into this one, okay? I will mix all the things, egg, everything now. Please don't put milk, okay? Don't put milk. So I will just put a little water, okay, so that it's, you know, and I'll add this one, okay, because everything is going to be mixed together. Hello? You guys understand me? And I'll add the egg also. In fact, basically, I'm adding everything, guys. Adding everything to mix. Whew. And I'll add my sugar, How do you guys do your own? Let me know in the comment section below. But for me, I add everything so that I know that everything is almost done, right? Don't put, I'm not even supposed to add sugar, guys. Some people add anyways. I noticed that the ones here in Malaysia used to be sweet, but you don't need to add so much sugar. Let me put some salt so that I can manage the taste. Because banana is sweet naturally, right? So, but I don't know how my people will see it. So you start turning, turning. I hope you guys are seeing what I'm doing anyway. So you start turning. If you wish, you can just blend it, but I prefer this method, okay? I prefer to turn manually. Yeah, it seems to be a little bit watery, but I hope things get better. So basically, these are all the ingredients: the flour, the banana itself, blended, okay? Then the, what do you call it? The sugar, salt, and the fritter, if you have the fritter powder, which I have, luckily. Can you guys see what's happening here? You see that this is actually, but this is watery or not? It's supposed to have a kind of thick taste, a kind of thick texture, sorry, not taste. I meant to say texture. But it's okay. This is fine, not too watery. If it can do pancake, then I think it can do this one also. It's not supposed to be too thick. So you guys can see it's getting thicker, right? Yeah, that's how to do this thing. It's getting thicker now because I added more flour. So this one is going to work. Yeah. So you mix and mix and mix and mix if you want to follow my own method. But if you want to do the simple method, if you have electronic mixer or whatever, that's just easy, right? But for me, I like the natural things, you understand? So that's why you see me using this. So I will mix this till it has a very good texture. And then we'll start frying. So we mix and 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 mix. Hey, I like what I'm seeing, guys. Look at this. Look at this. That's the texture. Perfect. Okay guys, I decided to use a smaller pot because I think that other one may not do what I want very well. So yeah, I think it's hot now. I have to pour my oil. So pour the oil. It's deep frying actually, so pour enough oil and let the oil get hot. The tasters are waiting, guys. Let the oil get hot. I have to pour all the kind of oils I have. I think this is okay, at least. So let's wait for the oil to get hot, guys. Then I will start. Okay, I hope you are enjoying this video. This cooking video is gonna be very, very interesting. Anyways, I can't wait to taste it myself, not to talk of those that are also waiting to taste. So let's wait for the oil and catch you in the frying process. So guys, let's start frying. This is the stuff. Okay, I don't know if you can see. I wanted you guys to see inside the pot very well. So I think the oil is hot now. Let me just test with a small one. So basically you will use the spoon like this, okay? And let's see. Put it. Okay. You have to be very, I don't know how I'm gonna do my own, but I think, yeah, something like that. It's not supposed to be too thick. So I think this is the right process. Guys, let me know what do you think about my something, or is this how they do it? If there's a better way, please let me know. I may not get the perfect balls, but at least I should get something near. Yeah, I think it's going to be good, guys. I can see one coming up already. So it depends on how you shape it. If you have a good shaping technique, then it should be good. Wow. What do you guys think? Chef Bolu in the house. Start saying that in the comment section. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Start showing your loyalty. Oh. Okay. I think those ones are good. Now let us see what's happening here. You guys can see I even have all the tools already, right? Okay. It may not be very nice, but at least I'm happy that I have something I can boast about. It's supposed to fry till it's red, till it's golden. Yeah, the golden color. So let's wait. I'm just so anxious to try, but I think it's working. I just need something that can make it look smoother, which I don't have. So how do those guys do their own self? You know, Kai, there's nothing as good as professionality. You can't beat it, guys. Like, you can't beat professionality. Okay, guys, I think there's some progress. You guys can see it's getting brownish. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Yes, so tell me in the comment section below, can you do this? I'm so happy I'm making my favorite Malaysian snack. Wow, wow, wow. This is good, guys. Look at the color. It's becoming what I wanted. Yes. Can't wait to taste it. Oh, yeah, I just can't wait to try it. So, yes. This is it, guys. This is basically the process. I still have a lot. That I've not tried. As you can see here, these ones, I've not fried them yet. So I may fry 1 or 2 more and that's gonna be it, okay? Because there's still gonna be a testing process. So let me fry enough that can be tasted, right? So that the people that will taste, and yes, I think this one is okay. This looks good. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Okay, guys, so I think I've made a lot of progress. I think I'm going to be inviting my guests very soon. You can see I've fried all these ones. Isn't it marvelous? So after some period of time, I've been frying and frying and frying. It seems they are now getting the ball shape, actually, that I initially wanted. Yeah, so I think I'm happy. Okay. Happy, at least. I'm getting something nearer. I will fry the rest later, guys. It's still remaining, but I will fry the rest later. So anyways, let's come for tasting so that this video is not too long. And I'm going to invite some special guests into this kitchen now so that they can taste this thing for us. Okay, guys, so we are coming to the interesting part of this video. So I've already fried, basically, as you guys can see. So it's time now to actually to taste, okay? It's time to taste, and I'm going to be inviting some special guests into the kitchen now to come and taste this wonderful delicacy. Thank you very much. We have distinguished professors in our midst today, guys. They are going to taste this Cekodok Pisang. Cekodok Pisang. Professors, you are welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. So do you guys know about Cekodok Pisang, by the way, first of all?
For me, I don't know. This is the first time I'm hearing about it.
Wow.
I also don't know.
You don't?
No, but we'll test it and probably we might like it.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah.
So guys, both of them said they don't know about the Cekodok Pisang, which is basically, it actually means banana fritters. Yes, banana fritters. So in Malaysia, it's one of their very nice snacks, and it's my own favorite.
Right.
So I want to see if you guys can try it.
Okay.
Okay, so guys, let them try, and we're going to see. So you can take maybe can just for tasting, and I will still. It's hot, but just try. Okay. So we're going to see how it tastes in your mouth.
Wow. This is very tasty.
Really?
Yeah, so nice.
Wow. You like it? How does it taste in the mouth? Are you feeling the banana or something like, banana taste naturally?
Yeah, I can feel
You can feel the banana?
banana flavor.
Wow.
Yeah. So nice.
This is beautiful.
Okay, take more. Okay. Guys, you are invited, oh.
So it's a Malaysian delicacy or Chinese?
Malaysian. They call it like Malaysian delicacy something. Guys, is this really, does it have any racial background? Is it like for Chinese or for Indian or what? Something like that, right? But I think it's like general Malaysian snacks because many of them eat this, right?
Wow.
Many of you guys take these things. It's just general. You see it on the roadside, on the street, like a street snack in Malaysia. So it's really good, guys, according to my guests. So now let me taste myself. Wow.
So nice. Top up for you.
Thank you so much. All right. Thank you so much, guys.
Okay, thank you.
You can take more.
Thank you.
I will serve you guys more.
Thank you.
Okay. So, guys, my guests said the thing is very nice and they enjoyed it. What do you guys think? Do you think I prepared it well? Look at it. The inside of the thing. Can you guys see? Actually tasting very good and very soft. Let me cut one for you live. So, look at it. Cekodok Pisang. I know those on the street, they are just perfect. Of course, I can't do it perfectly as they do because that is what they grew up doing, right? So, well, I've tried my best. So let me know what you think about my frying skills or the Malaysian wonderful delicacies. This is my favorite Malaysian snack. What is your own favorite Malaysian snack? Drop it down in the comment section below and I'll be ready to see it and reply to you guys. Share this video with a lot of my family. And this video is going to stop here. Thank you so much for watching till this time. I appreciate you. Until I see you next time, stay positive, stay safe. Nastily, my video will still come, guys. Don't worry. Very soon. Much love and God bless you. Don't let anybody steal your joy. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.